Well, what up? I hope you all have a fucking amazing day. It is your favorite JT Tech Nerd coming in with another news talk. And Asus just officially released a flagship OLED monitor that is built-in switch, or built-in dual switch, dual mode, whatever we call it, that can switch between 540Hz, 4040p, and also world first 720Hz, 720p. So 720 Hz on a monitor. That is the world first and also a record, if I'm not mistaken, on OLED display technology. But also 540 Hz in 4040p mode is also pretty ridiculous and pretty fast. It is way expensive, but it's Asus, it's a Strix, it is beautiful, like really beautiful, but you gotta pay the premium. But it's goddamn fast. So what do you say? Are you going to buy it? Or are you gonna be like, too expensive, I don't need it? Or do you need it? Well, that's it for today. Stay safe.